Huh?
Are you recording?
I am now.
Got this car?
Check this out, man. Shelby. Man, it feels good to be home. About right there. You'll never be too old to be a car guy or a bike guy. Do what you want to do. Right here in Westfield. What's up, man?
How you doing?
How's it going? Off to the canyons? Off to the canyons?
Yeah.
Oh, and that NA though, bro. That M4. It's a beautiful day to ride. You saw that car meet? You saw that car meet back there?
What?
Did you see the car meet back there? I'm gonna stop by real quick. We'll just roll through and then we'll roll back out. that fanny pack though, bro. I'm gonna call you Jake the Garden Snake from now on, bro. Pac-Man. Oh shit. Let's see what we got down here. Ooh, we got them Beamers. Do not speed, do not rev. Let's start down there, we'll come back up here, and then we'll take off.
Where are we gonna park?
We're not parking. We're riding through. Anthony, that GTR, bro. I told you. Some beautiful cars out here, man. Real nice.
Or just bring it over to service center.
I don't know how deep that is, so I'm like going over. How's it going, guys? Oh, that Caprice Classic, man. And the Saks. Oh man, I feel like a little kid in a candy store right now. How's it going? What's up, bro? Got that Viper, Anthony. Not an M5. He's that bug eye though. Where the hell did Corey go? Challenger squad posted. How's it going? Oh shit, that stop, bro. Where the hell did Corey go? He's right here. Yeah, it's the Grom. Nice little weekend toy. It is. I said a weekend toy, but it's my baby. Daily toy. Shit. We got the retros back here. One Evo. Oh, there he comes. Oh my god. Is this yours, man? Oh, what a beautiful, beautiful man. That's one of my dreams, to own one like that one of these days. Nice. R56. Where'd you go?
Talking to everyone.
Huh?
They love my bag.
Who?
Everyone, like a group, started gathering around me.
Are you serious? I didn't want to stop because I know that's how I was gonna get.
Yeah, just like a group started coming around me.
Yeah.
Cool though.
I just kept going. I didn't even wash her. I knew I should have washed her, man. So,
Yeah, I scrubbed mine.
huh?
I washed mine with rubbing alcohol, dude.
All right, so let's check out these retro Beamers, and then we'll take it back off down at Pan Canyon, man.
Sounds good.
Alright, no more. I don't want to get in trouble out here. Don't ruin the meat. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful meat. But off we go to continue our adventure. Tune in next time for the next episode of Dragon Ball V. All right, peace, yo.